Welcome to another episode of Inspect The Gadget. I have finally got the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 3 earbuds. I'm waiting for these for a little while. This is going to be a quick unboxing video. I'm going to give the first impressions of looking at it and the sound of it, and then I will answer some of the most common questions that are being asked on the internet that I've seen in other videos. I will answer for you at the end of this video. Also, of course, if you have any questions of yourself, just drop them down below in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can, or actually have an answer for you. Let's get this thing unboxed. I'll come back to them in a second. So we have your charge cable, which will be standard USB-C, and some ear tips. Of course, in the box here you get the paperwork. I'm pretty sure we're not going to need warranty card, so on. And in the box is the bad boys. So if you haven't seen any videos, you haven't seen this before at all, then you will see now that it's a completely different design to the previous ones. Obviously people are saying it's sort of copying Apple because they've gone with this new sort of design, which I'll show you in a second. Basically Samsung call these the blades. So these things, which are very similar to the Apple AirPods look, Samsung call these the blades. Now on these, they do light up. Now I'm very interested in that nice clear case. Obviously got a charging light there. And on the bottom you've got the charging port for the USB-C. So here you've got the two blades. So it says in there you've got a left blade and a right blade. Like I say, they do light up. They will be touch sensitive. First impressions, I do really like them. Yeah. Now I wanted to order the silver ones, but the ones I was trying to order through Sky and there wasn't any silver ones available. So I had to go for the white ones. So they do look more like the Apple AirPods. But I still like the look of them. Do like the look of the case as well. Very nice case. A little bit bigger than the one I had for the Galaxy Buds Plus, but so far I'm very impressed with the look of the Galaxy Buds Pro 3. Questions that I've seen online that people are asking. So there's been a delay with the Galaxy Buds Pro 3. Now the Galaxy Buds 3 have been shipped and people have got them, no problem. But the Pro version, so the Galaxy Buds Pro 3, have been delayed in shipping. I'm not sure if it's a UK issue or it's in the US. I don't think it's US as well. But basically, there's a problem with the ear tips, and people were reporting that when they were pulling them out of their ear, the tips were ripping, things like that. So basically, Samsung had to do a big recall and do like a quality control check and just do some improvements to make sure they didn't rip. So if you have got some and you have ripped or anything like that, do let Samsung know. Some people are asking, do these work with foreign films? So apparently it does. I've not tried it myself yet, obviously, because I just literally unboxed it. So maybe I might do another review, so let me know if you want to see that. But basically, yeah, if you're wearing them, you're watching a foreign film, you can put your interpreter on if you've got it on your Samsung S24 or your Foldable 6 or anything like your latest Samsung phones. Any device like that, you're wearing it, you should be able to live translate a foreign film. Or of course, if you don't know already, if you're having a conversation with someone in another language, then you can turn on the translation. I'm not sure if it automatically detects it. I might just try that with my wife because she's South African. So I might just get her to speak Afrikaans to me and just see if it picks it up. So if you're watching foreign films, it can translate for you. Another question is, can you both wear an earbud each and then translate through that? So you've got one, you're foreign, whatever. Try and translate through that. Apparently you can't with the Samsung ones. Now there is models out there, I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but if you do a little Google search you will find them. Unfortunately not with these. Don't know why, I don't know if that'll come later or what, but you can't with these. But there is, I think, specially made ones, I'm not sure. But there are models out there that can do that. How to turn the bud lights off is another question I've seen asked around. Again, I'm just showing you. Pinch the blades, put them in the box, or you should be able to go into the wearable app and turn them on or off. Does it have a SmartThings, or does it have a tracker? Yes, with the SmartThings app you can basically track pretty much all Samsung products. So your watch, your laptop, earbuds, smart ring if you've got one, any device like that, it will track where they are. So if you do lose one, you'll be able to find out where they are, make it ring, that kind of thing. So basically it's a good thing to have if you're in the Samsung ecosystem or you want to go to the Samsung ecosystem. Just know where all your products are, don't lose them. That's a really handy thing to have. The current price at the moment, time of recording, is 219 quid. So Samsung, Amazon, whatever. I think Samsung offer the best trading. So if you want to send in your old earbuds, I can't remember if it's £30 or £50. So you basically get that off the price. So got some, maybe like mine, the Plus. I didn't check actually how much I can get in for trading. But yeah, you've got some old earbuds, maybe a previous version. You can send them in, get some price knocked off, or get a better price, sell them on eBay or somewhere. Does it have an AI interpreter? Yes, I believe it does. So that's just basically if your phone has it, if you're wearing these, you should be able to have. That's pretty much it for the most common questions that I've seen asked online. So if you do have any more, then please drop them below and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. That's pretty much it for this video. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. It will help this video spread to more people and just make sure that YouTube knows it's a decent video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.